Welcome. If you're looking to change the sound for the other messaging unread chat reminders on Snapchat, the process is straightforward and can be done directly through your phone's settings. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open your phone's Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section manages all of your installed applications. From the list, find and tap on Snapchat to access the app's specific settings. Next, tap on Notifications. This will open all the notification options related to Snapchat. Look for an option labeled Notification Categories and tap on it. This menu breaks down different types of Snapchat notifications into categories for more detailed control. Under the notification categories, locate Other Messaging and tap on it. Inside this section, find and select Unread Chat Reminders. This is the sound alert you want to customize, which notifies you of unread messages and chats. Now, tap on Sound. You will see a list of available notification sounds on your device. Choose the sound that you prefer for your unread chat reminders. Once you select a sound, it will automatically apply to unread chat notifications in Snapchat. That's it. You've successfully changed the sound for other messaging unread chat reminders on Snapchat by adjusting these settings at the system level. This method is especially useful since Snapchat itself does not allow direct customization of notification sounds inside the app for this specific alert type. Changing the sound through your phone's app notification settings gives you full control over how and when you hear reminders for unread chats. Feel free to explore different sounds to find the one that suits you best. Now, your Snapchat unread chat reminders will stand out exactly the way you want them to. Thanks for watching.